Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Caleb, I am loving this weather we've been having. It feels like a little bit of a heat wave.
Yeah, I mean, totally. It's way different than where we should be. I mean, we should be in the around 50 degrees, and we have been. I think that's not just you, Maureen. I think everybody's enjoying this warmth
exactly.
right now. Right now, even we're on the mild side. Let's go ahead and start things off by taking a look outside the studio here. We do have mostly clear skies. Maureen, I hope you're still looking at that. And it's mild. 62 degrees is the current temperature out there. It has just been a gorgeous weekend, and we are going to see these gorgeous conditions stick with us as we start this coming work week. Now, temperatures right now, not just Lansing, that's mild. We're at 58 in Mason, 60 in Jackson and Hillsdale, 62 in Charlotte, 61 in Marshall, and 59 degrees in Coldwater. For some perspective, real quick, our average highs should be around 50 degrees, and this is about 10:30 or so right now, and we are about 10 degrees above what our average highs should be. Now, the almanac today, we broke a record. Our daily record high was set in 1915 of 71 degrees. We smashed the record. We got to 75 degrees today in Lansing. Now, everybody else was in on the warmth, obviously, here. Look at Charlotte. They got to 76 degrees for a high temperature today. Everybody pretty much in the mid-70s. You had 74 in Mason and Jackson as well. Jackson broke their record. And zooming out here, you can see pretty much most of the nation right now, at least the eastern half of it, is in on this above average warmth. You can see Des Moines was 74, North Platte, the Plains were in the 70s, 76 degrees. Out to the west, though, much different conditions, and that is what's coming this way. Now, right now, for our eastern half of the country, we are remaining beneath this upper level ridge of high pressure, which is kind of allowing this warm southern air to just surge northward, while at the same time keeping that cool Canadian air north of the border. High pressure keeping us dry as well. That's where we've seen a lot of sunshine. That's also been helping to make our temperatures warmer. So out to the west, though, totally different story. You can see we have a trough, and that is trough of low pressure with that much cooler air. You have rising air, so you have a lot of precipitation, a lot more cloud cover to go along with that. That's slowly moving this way. It's going to get here late Tuesday into Wednesday, and when that gets here, we're going to see much different conditions for the coming work week. Now, I'll kind of show you how this transpires as far as temperatures are concerned. As that, this is the jet stream I have right here. So as that comes this way, the jet stream is located several miles above the surface, and that kind of drives your weather at the surface. So above that or beyond that, again, you have much warmer air surging northward. So for Monday, we're going to get getting into the 70s. Tuesday, we're getting into the 70s again ahead of this this jet stream moving this way. It's also going to swing a surface cold front through. Behind that, though, this is that cooler air. You got 40s in the plains, out to the Pacific Northwest, 20s and 30s. And again, that is coming this way. Tuesday night, that cold front moves through. Wednesday, totally different story for us. You can see our high temperatures getting into the mid to upper 40s, and we're just continuing to stay cool. Then Thursday morning starts off in the 30s, but really this is where we should be for this time of the year. So once that cold front swings through, we have that dip in the jet stream, and we're going to really return to normalcy across mid-Michigan. Now let's go ahead and time the forecast out. Tonight, again, we are staying mild. Temperatures only getting down into the 50s. We will see clear skies tomorrow, another beautiful day. If you have off work like I do, I'm certainly going to be spending it outside. Hopefully you can do the same thing. Temperatures getting into the mid-70s. Now, clear skies for a lot of the overnight period heading into Tuesday morning, but then things start to change. You can see Tuesday starts off with clouds moving in from the west, and we're staying mild. Actually, Tuesday's morning's low temperatures are going to start out around 60 degrees. That's 10 degrees above what our average highs should be. So a very mild start, and then we're going to see our temperatures get through into the 70s once again ahead of this cold front. And you can see on the left side of your screen here, that is where showers are moving this way. That'll be right ahead of that frontal passage. Once that moves through, some heavy downpours, perhaps some rumbles of thunder as well. And I kind of show you that setup here. Again, for Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies through the day. We could see a couple isolated showers by the late afternoon, but really it's not until around midnight. This is midnight Tuesday heading into Wednesday morning. You can see this swath of precipitation moving through. It's going to be kind of a narrow band of moisture, so we could see some heavy downpours, but they'll be over just as quickly as it does begin. And then behind that, high pressure works back in, bringing a return of drier air. So we'll see a lot of sunshine, but we are going to be on the cooler side. Kind of take a look at our temperature trend. Behind that front, you can see a much different story. We're going to be getting back down to the upper 40s and 50s, so certainly enjoy the 70s while you can. Thursday and Friday, we stay dry, 40s and low 50s. Saturday, clouds increase again, then we have another system moving through on Sunday, bringing some more showers to us and temperatures getting into the low 50s. Maureen?
All right, thank you, Caleb.